I said this week, if you're looking for a Defensive Player of the Year conversation and you don't mention Vi Rivers, the conversation is incomplete.
Rivers looks like the best defensive back in the league.
I was told as long as you feel pain, you're still alive.
To the end zone in a crowd. It's going to be intercepted at the goal line. And who else but Rivers, who picks it off for his third.
As long as you keep trying, it's still hope, nigga.
Stay away from Rivers.
Placement down. His kick is blocked. It's rejected. He picked it up. And Rivers is the guy who blocked it. And time will run out. What a half by Ravarius Rivers of Green Bay.